What's up everyone, this is Mr. Technology here, and today I just have a video of the interior of the BMW E90. I tried to find many of these videos online, but there weren't that many out there, so I thought I'd do one. So just for reference, this is the first E90. I know there was a bit of a facelift in late 2008, so this is the early edition that came out in late 2005. Now this is the 320D, so it has a 4-cylinder diesel engine, which, as the name suggests, 320D is a 2-liter diesel. So I'm just going to get straight into it now. So here we have the multi-function steering wheel, and we can see here we have buttons built in for volume up and down, along with controls here on the side to change the CD and to change the track. Now up ahead here we have the instrument panel, and we can see we have two displays in between which display information like the date, time, mileage, etc. Over here we have the push start button, so as you can see listed. Now it isn't a keyless start system, you actually have to insert the key down below here, which I'll be showing later on in the video. And again we can see we have our indicators toggle here, our toggle for cruise control down here, and we have our windscreen wiper toggle up here, and a custom installed Bluetooth car system. On the driver's side again, down below here, we have the switches for the electric windows and also for the wing mirrors to fold them in and out. So we just move over into the center console, and as we can see we have warning lights. Now this button up here is to lock and unlock the doors of the car, and right next to it we have the traction control on-off switch, and we have two radiator vents up here. If we look just further down below, we have the BMW professional audio system. So it's surprisingly just a single CD system, but it has an aux cable input as well, which I'll be showing later on. And it's just quite standard, to be honest. I couldn't tell much apart from most other systems on other car manufacturers. So just a little display down below, and underneath that we have a dual zone climate control system with the buttons here indicating the front defroster, the rear defroster, demister rather, and we have our air conditioning control button there. Now this has an automatic transmission, so we can see this is the automatic gearbox here. And down here we have the control module for the Bluetooth system that was custom installed. And again, we'll just glance over to the passenger side, and we have two cup holders, one over here and similar one on the far side. And again, just speaker over here with the button for the window. And just slowly come back. Not much going on up ahead here, just your standard rear view mirror, and we have buttons for the lights that turn on and off when the door opens. And again, we just fold this down. We have a sort of a clip holder here to place documents like driver licenses, etc. And if you open this to view the mirror, we can see that the light actually turns on above, and as we close it shut, the light turns off. We'll just move down now to the armrest, and just move some of this stuff out of the way to give you a better look at what we have inside. So if we look inside here, we actually have a little compartment to place, I don't know, phones and sunglasses, etc. And this is actually quite cool. There's a cup holder built in, so this can actually warm or cool your drinks that you place inside just by the switch here. And again, we have our aux port, which rests right in here. So we'll just close that up now. Now we'll just move on over to the back of the car, and right behind here we have a little ashtray for cigarette butts, whatnot, and we have two vents here to control air in and out. Now in the back, the car is reasonably open. I mean, I'm 6'1", I'd say, and I have plenty of knee room here, but it can get tight if you're carrying 3 people down in the back. I'd say it's more comfortable carrying 2 rather than 3. Noise wise, the car doesn't create, there's not that much road noise that gets in. It's just tire roll, especially in this car because it has run flats. So I'll just turn on the car now, and so you can see the ignition and the how it all operates. So we have the key here. Just go ahead. So we'll go ahead and turn the car on now, and I have the key placed inside, so I'll just put it in again so you can see. So it just slots in, push it in once, and you can see that the handbrake indicator and the time and temperature come on. Also the CD player turns on. As you can see, it's set to aux at the moment. So if I press audio, I have an option for tuner, CD, aux, so I'll just keep it set to aux because I have my handy aux cable right here. Now if I press the button once more, the car actually doesn't start, but as you can see, some service information, engine light, that kind of thing, and CPAs show up, and the fans start kicking in then as well. Now the way you actually start this car is you actually have to put your foot on the brake and then press the start stop button in order for the car to start. So I will try and show that in a later video, but yeah, that's just been a quick look at the internals of the BMW E90. If you want to see more of these videos, or if you want to see me do a review of the car and how it drives, that kind of a thing, just let me know in the comments and I'll try and upload another video.